Conventional CO2 welding creates a significant amount of spatter during welding compared to MAG welding. The greatest improvements in spatter generation reduction will be seen in CO2 welding. The active wire feed process is very effective in controlling the spatter generated in MAG welding as well. The spatter produced is effectively reduced by 50% at 150 ampere and 80% at 200 ampere compared to conventional MAG welding. Additionally, to the reduction in quantity of spatter in both CO2 and MAG welding, the size of the welding spatter is significantly smaller than conventional welding. Smaller spatter size equates to less sticking of the spatter to the parts or fixtures.